Galen Michael.
Hey, buddy.
The reason we're videotaping is because this little boy is clicking and sucking, and it's really funny. Let's see the suckers. Where's your fishy face? Galen Michael. No. Where's your fish face? Did you get that?
I didn't get a close up though.
Yeah, bite. Bite. Nice fish face.
That must be some good potatoes.
You have to open your mouth. Galen Michael. Hey. Galen Michael, here. Let's see your fish face. Galen Michael. Nice fishy face. Nice fishy face. Clickers and fishies. Come on, couple more. Say bye, Daddy. Bye-bye.
Bye. We'll see you guys. Bye, Galen Michael.
Do one more fish.
One more fish? Thanks. Thanks for that last one. Bye, Muddy.